We got a 2015 X5. We're doing a valve cover. Can't really see it right now. Thing's pissing onto the exhaust, smoking like a freight train. We also got the fender off because I changed the grommet in the washer pump because that was also leaking pretty bad. So we're just gonna monitor that. Let's get her going. Could also use an air filter. A little pick is your best friend for these vehicles. Went off the rails on a gravy train. You don't really have to take this line out, but I like to get it out of my way. 2 screw G's. Usually always end up replacing this little tube here. Little reach around, no look, plug connector release. Snap that in half. That's why you change it. Take all this stuff off too, so we got more room. Missing all the clips. Pretty much any work that you do on a BMW, you just take this off. This comes out of here. Check the cabin filters. This could probably be changed as well. Some more torques. 10s. What do you mean?
The oil filter's like this.
Yeah, just crack it loose.
Do a topside evac, like to take, like suction it out, because it's just all sitting housing.
Yeah, you could suck it out. Usually I'll crack it and just leave it for like a couple minutes. It's okay. Yeah, that one.
So I put the tubes, right?
Yeah, just pump it.
Do I have to?
Yeah, you just pump it.
Is it on silk already?
It should be. Trying to do jobs and guide an apprentice is not for the faint of heart. We gotta get this hose. It goes to the valve cover. This comes out of here. We can raise these wires up. Now you can get these wire harness bolts a little bit easier.